Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and I'm sharing with you day 2 of our videos about our resilience webinar. So we have our resilience workshop coming up on the 4th of March, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at what does resilience look like for you? Now, your childhood experiences would have shaped your levels of resilience in the here and now. And now is a good opportunity to establish what resilience looks like for you in order for you to achieve your future goals. You have to overcome a number of different challenges as you've grown up, and you have to put this into great stead now and into the future. So my question is, does resilience look like for you that you've achieved all that you want to achieve, that you're emotionally stable, that you can overcome any of life's challenges? That's something for you to think about. If you'd like to learn more and join us for our resilience workshop on the 4th of March, find a comment, have a look in the comments below,